Kate here at WTI, and showering off-grid just got a whole lot easier with this portable shower pump from Iron Fist. So this comes with a pump and then a shower head so that you can have showers anywhere. All you need is a water source. You can fill up a bucket, you can pump right from the lake, and your water will pump out of the shower head. It has adjustable speeds. It's rechargeable, so you don't have to plug it in. It's so easy to take on the go for bathing or cleaning or anything you need. It comes with a mount which suctions, so that makes it simple. We have a portable shower tent, so we don't have to worry about that, but it does come with whatever you need to be able to do it anywhere. It has 2 different speeds. All you have to do is dunk this in your water and it will pump whatever you have. So simple to use, and it just makes everything more pleasant when you can even take a shower when you're away from home. I no longer have an excuse for not going off-grid camping because I can shower on the go. So I think you'll really love it too, and that's my point of view.